Abusia midin ene Cyprus na channel na o hwe no eye Akono TV. It ni se won subscribe ya make sure say obe subscribe to channel no eye Akono TV na share ema afofro enso so no subscribe na abusia no emu entre na ye benam channel yiso na yaka ni ye akire oman Ghana isan se empem bebre no ya na me ka se Ghana no ye man entino se ye ni ya yema yanka sansenso so ni yemu na oman no ebo aprinting a eno so no agina yanka san yeso na nsenya na me ye Facebook live na obi question obi say me or say what is your source of motivation na onipa no question na obi say me heard the reason behind the question na it saddens my heart is ancestor sembi bana say nipa bi kan bia ayana ye tentiu with political colors in a basa kana wo kan yana enipa bi empese omubetie na obi ani ho a oye politics no obi ani susu ni ho a or share political colors whatever we are saying ni nyina no it is for the good of Oman Ghana and the bianso ya na me say ayana nyina na yenya akonya ewo ye TV stations any ye FM stations no ekasa intini the social any ni media no ewo ho a ye the better channel and I say one of the good channels I betimi use to make our grievances and our protests known na yetumi ameki demands and answer ye putu enema bi in panifo on their toes and ye beya omobeye enema amano a favor yen. We are not here to give anybody insults ne mumuni ye babeka near a ye ediachre yenhu entini wa unsubscribe to YouTube channel no eye Akono TV entini subscribe to channel no na yenkoso na yeni ye ho enkomo na ene eden ena ye hwe se ye hwe Oman Ghana na ye hwe ni a ekoso ye ene emranti wa entotofi wa mienu a ye se anase abeda de gidi se unim omu akuku obi se omu de no ekwakoji sika duro na eye areho chese eye ahomete na ya wuse nipa bebre no kasa ewo ho but yen de ye gidi se no kura sese ye kan ewo asem ho yen kan ye esan se minim se ye wo akwala eto ho na se akwala hye ye furu mu a oye ne na dia ne mum se akwala ne ba beto abontin se kima oye oman ni nyina dia entino society no ewo a major role to play in the life of akwala no oba no na nidi kan ye hwe emranti wayi asem nyamransem emranti wayi akwako dino enim se enye asem na video no so no enye ayibi asese ye koso circulate on the internet we are not showing a certain part of the video but ye show kakra bi ama mohu ni ekoso emranti wa na omukodi sa inyamra ensem no na minim se empanifo anase like nipa bebre na will put the blame at the doorstep of omu parents ena yantitiomu ye but I am hoping say we will look at the bigger picture of the whole situation the whole happenings rather than just putting the blame at the front door of omu parents sene medi kan kai ne se wo abofra eto ho a we society ni nyina dia especially empanifo a yayi omasi ho se omuni oman nanim no ema omfa aniema tutu ye na so ema emfaso ama amanfo no nkasa no omu wo important major role to play ewo abofra no life mu the same as parent na ene ye hwe Oman Ghana sene oman no mu ayeden ene sene aniema bi ekoso na don't be hasty to draw conclusion on whatever I'm going to say because we are not taking the blame entirely out of the parent. Say bia omo parents antitiomu ye anase bibisa minu mienu yet your mind Ghana mu yenim say ye parents etete yen eye den a somewhere along the line because na ayi surveillance bia eni yeso so somewhere along the line you may we tilted despite the fact say ye free if ye papa mu anase baabi na eba ye titi ye but ye dan you tilt somewhere. I don't want us to look at that aspect so much, but aspect I me person ye share the bigger picture. I me person ye share omino and penifona ye omosiwo se omundi ye nimuno. That is the picture yeba abeshe na ade baako ye hwe ye di kan ahwe ene se bibi ti se bibi sei esi no ye happenings are so this is not the first time I yet this idea we say just say be around this time it involves enkwala ye expect say omobeye sadie no most people are asking say na enkwala no omuhia sika e de aye dan at that age ni what do they need money for na once we bisa won say at that age if their parents are able to take care of them would they be involving in that kind of act? And what has prevented or what has caused the parent inability to take care of Sa Enkwalano? Yeshe omo asisu. I mean, I will only mention popular figures. I know, say there were so many people around that but popular figures, and that is why I may use the popular figures in the Nyese Ebia Menisa will be. In the end, show be to say a Fia Schwarzenegger, Nema and Tafoi, the foundation, I will fear see Ele, Emma, and Mofreya. Ujidi say, Debbie, Obeti say, even a Bassa Fia Schwarzenegger, no sebi, Uniho Krana, Ujidi say, Nema. Better say ne ma akwakoyi saa anyambra nsemi enya ade a wo beti onte se kufu ado babia akwakoyi bibisa onte se mahama babia akwakoyi bibisa ese edu nkatia na na mama brown baya wo nyi fefefe chese ye kasa ye ka popular figures na mi yusu omse ne baya no onsoso obeti ase obi ani ho a obetimi ayeden ayesa esanse omale foundation ama into what bisa who say a day entina what caused the parents' inability to take care of Enkwalano. Probably the there is not there. So we should consider that. And yes, be appearance in your quadrifo and I say bisa, but the will never be brave or and penny4 and 4 and 2 ye and untina ama near el coso. Near edicano ye share a software na ya linking it to empenifo no na say ye share a software aba and ye share the way a software ni gina sorry demu the way omo preach a software ni nyina na ye say na omo preach prosperity e kwanya onipa faso obenya enkwa no eno na ye a software na djuma no. That is not what they are doing, but obia na a prosperity interne okwa sorry dem na see preach then they shout I receive it and they just say ye to sika spiritually asore dem ho na yitimi na obofo bia bahase or the sika be show bi bottom and shout a bigger amen or a bigger I receive it na nipa shout to I receive it and so da bia na ba sorry dem one CD collection and one ye to abofo no sika no e meduru da. Itinisi dia dream we say eshe enkwala ni trimu definitely this is the channel mo be follow unyanti masie intini to bo asepa na minchire we say yemfa ye ho ntoto amanone ayi omanya omako manimu no. When you go there enye sa nema we say bi enomoye they teach the kids how to work and get money. They teach the kids enkwala no how to work and get money. They don't talk about spiritual money. They don't talk about spiritual money. But then so for no begina your friend is saying TV so they preach money. And that is what a nipa any actually. Na aso for ni bi da no ni mi bisa obi say minua say wo hwe visa ehifa ene ye visa. Ye visa wo embassy. Enso ene asofo visa spiritually efri omompabuo mu e de ma enipa. Enti ni wo yes hade we say ya adwen pen e na wo bo atu enipa trim yenka asofo ni nko ade ene wo hwe TV so ye wo akomfo ni malams omo TV so ene omo ye advert e kire se ebinum pa ye double sika ma omo ntinu se ukita 2000 na se wo ba ye be ma 4000 ukita 4000 na se wo ba ye be ma 6000 money doubles aba system num ensusu no ye hwe enkwala hwe TV Inti no mo hwe sade we se nyina na mpanifo te ho omo ye ani han na omo ehwe no adwin ben na ye bo ediato enkwala itirimu. One aspect of whatever we are missing is we don't even consider how people are making money. You know, once you have the money, that's it. So what I say, I need the bian ye de want to amaya omo koso ye se mfa to hunti anama o prison ni ranye den anho na entine ye de want to amaya omo kosoro no. Now when you visit this amaya, however people are making money, they track it. They track however people are making their money. So what I said, that is how almost set up the system. And you know, no be about betenasi. And I say I'm doubling money. Near to 1 year, a choir will nipa never so all doubling money, no. As I said, we should. These are the change. I mean, the amendment in the constitution. Yeah, can as I said, o money to me transit na omoshe. It's in the and then Mantiwaba, they are making money and you know anyhow, and we don't seem to care. So definitely these young ones are going to follow. Go elsewhere to say there will be social security. Ghana, there will social security. Obia will be. So whatever money I will make, you know, it passes through social security. When it comes to TIN number, Obia will be. And Ghana, yes, everybody should get TIN number. What are the structures are you provided? And the other was as I say, Obia and your TIN number. What are the structures? It's you know what TIN number. That is what you use to transact business. So whatever money you are making, you know, it is tracked. That is even where government, it to me, making, it taking taxes from whatever you are lawfully making. So what I say, near to me the developer or mine, and you said the Biane directors, ye taxi or more musika far buying, we say so now if you're more marketing as if for no most often ye job, even the way I did susuni as if for Brenaji Susuno, a gum bottom. We are not tracking out. These are some of the amendments. Ghana's a better amendment. Normally, what do we see? Amendment to the constitution, no? This political amendment. Election amendment, that is the only thing and penny for again at Ecoso. Into all those changes now more year no just say kwanya befaso and ye betumi aye ye creative district, ye creative constituency, and no nebe boa momo to me majority our parliament into that is what they are looking at. But other and Niema, I say ye share kwanya nipa faso enyeska, so be betina TV so na so kasa otimi double money, otimi yewa. That person should be invited and that whole thing should be investigated. What is the means how to me double money? A bit dear cry, a bit duping Crawford. A bit duping Crawford so many times and we are just there, you know, watching. That's what being duping Crawford and could be genetic so I can say, will be a word Jimmy and didn't see Cabe Bremy. Will be our cyber genetic so I advert. And so still name Crawford echo. We believe in so much spirituality, sir. We don't even consider the physical aspect. Now, seeing a video be a share your soft will be and then sorema. Nature say, uto cook, Nasa would the cook no bar. Yeshra cook no sunu, she cook no gun. Nancy or soft will be or say empty woo, nebra, Natchez Usika winano, Fabra, never on Sabecan in free, just touch the free. This is the way we are going. And so people are gradually looking at easy way of making money. It's in the basic day and Mranti one mapa wano and sacrificing a nipa for money. A basic day and almost sacrificing a nipa for money. And penny four are sitting there aloof. Omo ya dembrana shomun sase omun enyeno. They are just sitting there aloof. This is the time. It's a wake up call. See a bit near Peja Yeni, Nasanya Mana Ekoso, and a Sika Gari, Sika Konko, Sika Sio, a Deben Deben, and a money doubling in a Sifoni Nano. It is illegal. Money laundering, so bit me double Sika Mount, New we say, a money laundering. And no, recently, Nakani de Japan person or Teki, a year obinim on, and people were hailing. This part of it also is illegal. So double money. It is criminal. How do you double it? Kwanya ofaswa utimi double na say utimi proven this na who could be. You stole the money. So they should take you on. So these are the things ye can wasem SSM penifo to me trase efa kwayom befa so a ombe create this enema ekwayom befa so ombe create jobs ekwayom befa so a proye ne ketasese ne obi pa djuma a gise onipa tua bribe ansa wo a wogi bribe ansa no am obi adjuma no wo ka ho bi na ama ene emrantie ne mabawa ne mabawa ne yiyom ho ene emrantie no so eku nipa de omgi sikaduro wo ka ho bi maybe me kan madam fu bi awo itili no ka oba bebie business bi wo Ghana wo de beje contract from the district assembly na waye adwuma bi no beboa enye enap be permanent temporarily adwuma amrantie ni nyina benya bi aye permanent no wo hwe sika no onipa ni tua sika odi free ye friend sen abrochire ho no ade aba Ghana ha sei atoto niema no kra no bribe no omuji wa ha no it is more than sa sika no nsusu nko bebie ni se ya enkamranti wa nyina benya adwuma yewu nsusu mpanifo na ye de omasisi ano no aye barricade eno oma barricade excuse me oma barricade enti no chese motivation bi enu ho sese onipa no ebampo no beye sa ade no enti no wato na adwim nsu no oba no beye we ya ye nyina ke benya sa adwuma ni bi aye ewo my Ghana yi enti yeti woni aye hwe han ena sa niema we say ye de ben koso enti ni ye de that spiritual we say no chese ye bibia no ye ne spiritual enti ye bibia spiritual no ye bo epobi ato emofra ni trim enti ni epopo bi ato emofra ni trim. This is the channel I am be follow because they see it, they believe it, and they know say when you work unye sika na be chance and when you sika. So if that means it's there, why don't we follow that we say? And then penny 40 ho and almost those adverts are running on TV. Those adverts ebinomu wo TV stations by 3 by 5 and almost so and almost yes nema we say oba ebe ye we say u discover ebe ye we say eni ye yisika me pese me bo obi adi because ko bo obi din a and ye dey attempt di na so, but you know what I'm talking about. And penny 40 ho, they are not doing anything about it. And asofo no the spiritual enema ene malamfo ne akonfo no the spiritual enema ase mabu ni trim, and they have come to believe those things. Now they are gradually becoming lazy and they are just thinking of easy way to make money. And that is the reason why and Sanyama we say ekoso. Enye nkwala nko an, nkwala yi de na aba, na betodwa, na yate, na ye ka bi. Ye wonye ekoso bibira ema out. Ye hu, enye nkwala mpanifo na ye sa de no, ye hu. Ye yisika spiritual. Meanwhile, uko amaniamania ayi countries are omo develop no. This is not the way omokoye. You understand? This is not the way omokoye. Meanwhile, that is the way we are going. And you see, Pennyfo, they are not taking any action. They are looking at it because, like I told somebody, they are benefiting from it. And now, software, a Gina TV, so sham come, and now we be winning, and Pennyfo, no, they are benefited from it. And they are just looking at it. But Pennyfo form we see from that's a man take key steps. Anke teli that kind of act na ekoso ewo yen TV stations na ebe kusanyema we say bekoso sa sempanifo ba they have the way me pampanifo no so they have a way eba media na yetimi kulusu some of the media, I mean the FM stations, because you say TV station we say NDC ni dia, TV station we say MPP ni edia, and they have a way to close it down. But na corrupt in society ni there, they are doing nothing about it. They are doing nothing about it. And when they come out, just say it's just politics. Politics has eaten their mind. So whatever they have to do, no, they are not doing it. And the youth, they are going as I mean, they are swaying astray. And we are still looking aloof. We are still looking aloof. Your Ghana information, I mean the information ministry. When you look at the information ministry, they have a role to play in this. The communication ministry, they have a role to play in this. Ghana Media Commission, they have a role to play in this. GJA, they all have a role to play in this one, but they are sitting there. looking at this aloof. Which ministry see me bobo so ya, all what they know is propaganda. Omoba, just those ministries, you know, they have been created to push government propaganda. That is what they do. They are best at it. But the true mandate I dear mom say, omo meshe na enipa abrabo entum pono no. Na sempanifo no hwe BBC say ya. BBC say ya. Last video me here me set example we say okwa America time Osama bin Laden ebe attack America no. After that they took a second look at their security system. Ghana asem nisi ni aka ho asem, they will push it under the carpet. That's it. That's it. Asem nisi, we talk about it. Hey, Nkwalaya Semi, in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it has died out. Another issue for Fraba, ni asum. What are we doing about the ongoing? And then say you can say, your friend is saying, you bet stage. And no crowd that we don't want to come there because that is a special program. You be holding on that. That is a special program. About the betting companies now will be suggested. You say you're closing it down. What are the Empenifo doing? And them rant here any mapa wa aba. They are on the social media and they see whatever is going on. The way people are living flashy lives and all that. So they also tend to, you know, go the same way. Now, how do you do that if you are not working? Internet jobs in Niho and Kwalano ebenye biya. They feel this is the way they will go. Utu kwain eko babia and then Kwala di 18, 22 years. Omo fiasi omo ye juma. Omo tutu kwan Ghana fo omo tutu kwan omo ba fie sesi a omo ye misa om se adwuma ben na mo ye wo ho enkwala no so adwuma ben na omo ye omo ha bebre na enkwala na adwuma na bi e na omo ye obi a wawie SS obi a wawie university ni sa adwuma na bi e na omo ti abuchire ho na omo ye Ghana wawie secondary school no even wawie university kra no adwuma ya den mi ameti asei omo amini omo wie university ene besi ne ebiti fie omo ni adwuma ye Inti sa nipa no ufu say a den and nipa ni beye. If so be presented this easy way of making money to the person, you don't think that the person will accept it. So the blame should go to the Empenifono. The blame should go to the Empenifono. They Dana me video be some say what is my motivation, and since then I've asked myself so many questions. So what was going through this person's mind to ask that question? Say what was my motivation? We are talking about change. We are talking about change. In the same way, say this is the time I say something for a year proactive. A year proactive, and then they sit down and they look at the laws of the country. And then I mean you be can same way say no can say we don't like yempe change. Yempe sound and 1992 constitution be seen. The constitution is there, and when you take the constitution, you look at it, there are so many errors. Don't ask me if I'm a lawyer. When I say errors, I mean so many outdated laws in the constitution. I say penifo take it free, but this sign say a benefit they are still keeping it there. And this is the time. And Kwalaya dear, I see this is the time I say penifo a year proactive. They need to do something. You set the Ghana, what we know is we set the law all right, but how to enforce it is the problem, because Obiba, that's why yes, we enforce the problem now. It will go against the person politically. We just sit there and look, and things are just going on like that. And then Nkwala Obi life, yeah, ending a life. Akwala no nim how one can parents grab a benefit free ni home at old age. And so soon ya catering the life, ya catering intino. Udi Ankwala we say court we are what jailium after so the Omako prison. What next? And penifo no, they should create jobs. Say Juma wo hona say nipa nya bi ya me gidi say and niema we say no esobeti totally esobeti considerably. Na yempenifo no sebi yempenifo no, they are self-seeking. And that is what the Ghanaians should use the social media. If you don't have an opportunity to go to FM station or radio station, The social media is there. Use it. The Twitter, you know, the Instagram, the YouTube, the Facebook. Yemen penifo no and sorry waka. Because whatever thing they are doing is to our advantage. And then, Osha Parliament, you propose say parliamentarians, you know, as I say, you could see office. At the moment, it will be a constituency. You could see offices at the ama parliamentarians, you know, it will be a constituency. Is this a priority? Any party fee, every university, be seen a omunya jumanya you. As I say, omudjin say, omudjin who acquire a befa so I be create jobs. A man nipa be a nipa nenya biaye, who can critique a ye nakop, and you think says a nakop say whatever, things say a ye a juma. Nakop, things say a ye a juma. Obiti akra, also a ye nakop, or give 400 Ghana cedis a month. O nipa no utua rent. Utua rent, or faka and a kwa juma. Obe shot idea, obi faka twice. And a dekwa juma. What's a nako? Bosumi omo nipan 400 Ghana cedis. And you think that is enough and you pride yourself on this one and you call it a job? And if so nipa we say ain't me and sustaining one, what do you think the person will do? Who could see office, MP's office? It will be a constituency with a cost of about 178 million Ghana cedis. I wish every office is going to cost about 650,000 Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, nipa enye jumanye. Obi ba the cancer in ye kwakusi dino, ebe boa ama nipa enya adwuma ye and omo mbesi dino eye adwuma. Me say district office wono, MPs no, district office wono, MPs no, ewo office ewo ho. MPs for no more office ewo district assemblies wo. Omo offices ewo district assemblies wo, so they can still employ people to work there rather than going to build a whole different complex. We are about to huge sums of money. It's a dino mukwa kusino. Ubehene cost less. Much lesser than figures I be to. Much lesser than figures I be to. But MP no be di enim no ewo ni quota ewo sikana ekosunum district assembly we say an executive officer na oba be supervise program no ono so so woni share ewom nti ebe wie no ni inflate figures na manabroso. Omo offices ewo district assembly ho, so they can still employ people to work there. And the rest of the money, they should engage private people. They should, they should, invest their money, create jobs for people to, Yenji your man ho kakra. Yenji your man ho kakra. And ne besine, enipa omukodi election ni ma yetu aba. Eyem omo motratra machine ho ne papers na chi. Eme yetu aba ma awo no. Besine se nipa ni nyina yentu omuka. Besine o se nipa ni nyina yentu omuka. Obi a wase ne mra se na daje na hoodin eje na busia wo ho ne nasefo akwakotena sa machine ye chisi yentu aba ya to aba mampanifo enya omusiti na nasefo awie enne besine sa nipa no yentu omuka. Afi na ene aban no ene omo worki ansa na omo apesika ba betu omuka. Isuko bisa se omo call parliament beginning yayi new ayifo no mobile bisa se yentu omuka omala wanse na asefo yemfa ma omaji ni bafu. And so when it comes to the ordinary people now, they don't have money, so they are now looking at different sources of to pay them. Yeah, can't call you. We are forgetting what the ladies are doing on the social media nowadays. If say job na say enkwala no engage, doesn't matter your age. And penifo no yenji omanfo ne ho omo ji omo ankasa omo ho ukosi offices ama MPs ewo bia ne constituency. But trust me, uko district na because time I university na na ye programs na ye visit MPs no. They have offices at the district assemblies. Omu office wo. There is no need for you to go and build because we share cost of building now. It is too much. They have offices at the district assemblies. What has changed? What has changed? Just say see offices. Emma MPs job 600. Job 600. Every MP office room job 600. And I yes I propose say you could see offices for a mom. Will be any constituency. Intini chesen penifo ne ho ene ye adwen but omanfo ne de omundwen omanfo ne ho kra na sem penifo adwen omanfo ho a enkase ne nipa ti eti oman yi mu a yenya dwuma enye a yenya sika yesi ye di sika kwakosi asoredan ye kwakosi cathedral. Is that a priority? You leave that to the Christian, the Christian Council. Leave it to them. This is not government business. This is just propaganda. Populist policies in and Omani yenji oman ho. Yenji oman for no. Yenji omo kusi holy cathedral and nipa eti. This is not we nye president or responsibility. Responsibility sine waba fa niema to kwa manipa adwuma enye na se nipa nya adwuma na se ye ya na se ye ho toyen ya enema bebibi ho na adwuma ne betwi yen afiri ye ho adwuma no ebetwi yen afiri ye ho enti yen hwe amra no yen hwe amra no amra ne bebibi ho a ache atwam esese ye tumi sisa no wo hwe Kigami ba Rwanda sa sofo ya omuni nam ye friend sa tete sorry wo classroom ehihye enkomfo ne na asefo yi obe sanitize ni nyina because ni nyina aka ho na matters of spirituality dominate enipa adwen. Matters of spirituality dominate enipa adwen. Nti no obi be kwakopa adwuma ye no na ote asori dan mu na wo twen sika. Instead of say betri nipa kwanya ye faso a ye adwuma ye nya sika no. These are the teachings that should go on at the church. Teachings say koso wa sorry dan mu no ebi no ye nchire nipa kwanya ye faso a ye adwuma ye nya sika ye penifo. They are not helping us. The leaders are not, they are self-seeking. In whatever is going on, like I said, no, they have a bigger responsibility. Say utu kwa kakra. Sani na mekano. Ye wo abofrana. Abofrano eye omane responsibility. Enunti na ene se abofrano eye bibi na se wu parent ne kra no se ye wa umotuti abofrana abanti mpeti abofrano free winsem. Isan se abofrano eye omo responsibility na nsenya akwa pimpolo ekohu abofra bi wo kwan ho. Se wo hwe akwa pimpolo video na ko hu abofra bi wo kwan ho na abofra at the age eda kwan ho. Nti no dwen se sa abofra no ofri despite fear enke ho no beda. Abofra no so ofri obi a despite kwade bi obi buru so bato the moderate person efia odwen se ho no beda. Isan se empanifo no dwen oman ho. Ne da no obi bisam se what is my motivation? What is my motivation? Ne corona ba ye otutu kwan kwa amanoni bi so a empanifo ne dwen se ne be ya nipa ne be survival nti no oman no kora na kukuru sika edi ma omanfo no empanifo ne kukuru sika na omocha mo omanfo last we say me video me ye ewo Facebook me ka omu na me say da na okọ America for etna ase omu debate how much they should send to the people ehia wo omu nibi esan so omu chire wo esan coronavirus time no sa time no na ye parliamentarians no ewo parliament na na omu batwede ankasa obi two blow te se ne ogina choko ring mu na wo two blow ankasa. And this is the kind of leaders ayewo na se wo kan na obi abisa wo say what is the source of your motivation? So nipa ne hu ni say o kaseti ya ni government. It is not about to be government. It is about my Ghana. It is about Oman Ghana. It is a baby abufreya or da kwanwi. Unhusa bufra edakon or your money responsibility. It in if a parent is incapable of taking care of the person or money will take hold of akwalano. Inti akwalani nyimuno eshe or mano ensa. Inti nisa akwala we say sabi o nyi no mama ye criminal. On fait tout nkonko bukrono enko koye nyeme bia ehunya de ben ehunya. Isan se bra ne maame no mantimi anhwe no ne papa ne ntimi anhwe no o ma ne gyeto ne ho so na o mo hwe wom enso se ba yen dia empanifo no sika kese eni ikukuru di ma omo enye panifo no kon asofo so ka ho ene wo kọ asori bi mu a asofo no adwin omu yie die ho at the expense of the church members. Asofo no dwin omu yie die ho at the expense of the church members. Ye yisika kese ye toka kese asof ansun insorema na omu niska no ye buabu musika no ye dia toka kese ye wi anya be ka kire wo se oye nyame nipa intesese mo hwe omu yie na wo de ye nyame bon sam to you don't deserve it. Esese wo susu no ye hwe wo yie because ye hwe osofo ni yie a wo susu no ese ye hwe wo yie esanse wo susu wo di yie a o ma be di yie na o ma emfa kwa bone so enkonko pesika ema ene asem ema nti Oman Ghana esese yetumi face the reality yetimi kano kuri biara wo asem biara mu esese yetumi kano kuri biara a ewo asem biara mu adwuma ni Oman num nipa wie school tifie nye adwuma nye ene ma no agi internet ni so afa na omo je omo niema ene mema no so no omo nim so omo ni bibia omo de bekire nti ene no omo so afa tuo ene omo so edi awu ese spiritual money na obi TV so o sika gari na omampani ete wo na wo hwe communication ministry omote wo na omohwe information ministry Ghana Media Commission GJA ene na sefo omunyina omote wo na omohwe sa nema we say na ekoso ene omo GTV ni so afa ene sika gari na wo ye sika gari no nim se nipa beko na sika gari no kwa enye spiritual na spiritual no demands nim na se demand ba enipa de enka ho na se kwala no akwa ye de a ene no ene ye ni he bebre na blemu omo parents the brainer blemu parents, but we are forgetting say even if the parent into me show mo kra na omo wo nuan panifo so omo nuan panifo no mo esisi yi ana so omo di yi a ebi be so nkwala no so nso na wo social media flashy lives na obi be DMP 3 days onipa na sidan be ye miensa atokasi be ye 15 ye dream panifo ho ene se ye fa obi as MP obedru ye na ye man car allowance ye man dan allowance ye man sitting allowance ye man entertainment allowance ye man bodyguard allowance say allowances bebre ye wi ye tua ne kabusu ni bia ansa na omo wi kra every 4 years kra no ye san kukuru sika bafu ye dia mo so mo at the expense of omanfo no ye ntwi omanfo no ho this is money a bit media ma private individuals omu mi adwuma enipa nya adwuma nye enya wo ye omaba na se wo kasa wo bebie adwuma kra na stress a wo be kom ne bribe a wo betua kra ni ntino kompo no se wo baba yi wo bebie adwuma no nso mpanifo te ho ena omo hwe ni to e kasa tamels ekọ port ye nyina ye hu ne ekosi wo ho kọ kasa ya nso ena ekọ port wo kọ hwe nia ekoso no enoa na ekoso uyi bibia watua wo duty awie no uyi bibia watua wo duty awie no no akowura dan we semu yesifa we bra akowura dan we semu yesifa we bra yesichese wan fa ma o ka na empie wo niema na empie wade na akam into wo adwen bi kura se obia wo import niema bi afia bruchi kura ba oman mu na wa like wa beton kura na se wo dia ba bi adwuma kura na wa bi duru ho no ehu nsem bebre enne emranti wa youth ba benya adwuma mpo aya adwuma kakra on just omutua bribe ubetua bribe ansa ne am wadwuma ye emayewa no soso no mpanifo ne omobeda office so ye ne omobeda na wo ma ho kwan ba ko no ne woda na ofe wadwuma ne chese abeye tua muda ono obeda saa kosi se obe retire na se obekọ transfer na se wo be free ho na se we nyina kwaso a ne nkwala ne when they become frustrated, what do you want them to do? Now be say nkwala nketenkete omu hia omu discare koye den. They need to survive. If their parents cannot take care of them, they need to survive. Meaning say Ghana for who can one can you say oh justify whatever they, but we are not justifying what they are doing, but what we are trying to say is say as I say omani tu ni nansi ho no mu gin enipa ne ho enti bibi say yaba what are they doing? As ye hwemra ye hwe ye security system ye hwe ye mra baby a touch mano ese ye hwe ni yi ni asesa no ese ye dwen omanfo ne ho ese mpanifu gya ye nibere no ese se ye gya se ye MPs ni ye ministers ni ye asofo no ni ye president fo no nko ano ene ye dwen om ho. Let's think about the poor people. Let's think about the poor people. A Christopher, we are losing our conscience. Yesu Christo pa no Obama wana woni bi at the bonnier for ni wana woni bi. Intinisi ye wo bibi a yemfa mo wana woni bi. Enyi ase ya hye nima kufu obakofo etimi bostu ena me wodan 25 ena me wodan 50 ena ekosi sen. Ena ekosi sen. Yen twi omanfo ne ho. Omanfo ni yede ehia mpanifo no. Na se ye kasa ye dwen nipa ho ni aye de ebebua nipa ejidi se nyema we se ni nyina no eso bete boni de boni wo ho entini ni e kan se eso bete entini si ye blame a we should blame the larger society. We should blame the larger society. They are not helping at all. They are not setting their priorities right. And nyema ehu hia e na omo ye so kwa kusi ayi ukwa entino enkwala ni de na esiye no na ye kan ho asem kakra na ye hwe blame na we can't blame their parents alone. We should blame the larger society, especially leaders. They are not doing things right. So this is a wake-up call. This is a wake-up call. Asemnisia, we should take it. We are a developing nation. And in the moment, Asemnibesi, as I say, Yitimi acting swiftly. As far as our security system are concerned, our laws are concerned, our job system are concerned, our guardian system are concerned, how we take care of, the poor and the needy. Sanima we say, Yema, as you consider. It is our mind, a jinsemu, so one kahubi, so man kahubi, yan fire no one too. That's yet Nasi Yansha, yes, my buying a wasso, my buying a abba. And I remember na aba and a median yetie into the main can. O man a jiguma yina. What your mind wouldn't so many more din. That will be catching himself sending messages on your money moon ya man. And I'm saying yes, we are assemblyman. Who drew persuasion your friend honorable no apejawa bati, you feel satisfied. You feel satisfied. A friend honorable, we okay. At least open party. Intini ye two a bison so. Intini nya dia beka say why you disappointed. But what about the ordinary people? What about the ordinary Ghanaian? Those who cannot put food on the table for the kids, for their young ones. Omo muntimi ntua danka. Ema omo manya ba bintina, ema omo asomu nyomo no. What are we doing? What are we doing? So this is a wake-up call, my Ghana. This is a wake-up call. And you need to call, and I also need to call. So let's call together so that the Penifuano will sit awake. The pastors will sit awake. The pastors will sit awake. They will stop thinking about luxury. They will stop thinking about luxury, about themselves. No munya say, omu to spiritual money go a nipaso. Meanwhile, they don't see it physical. But they are taking the physical cash. They throw spiritual money at you. And then they take the physical cash. na yenya say those spiritual issues na ayamana to nipa trimu no na me gidi say empanifo no susu ye will role to play. We need to sanitize the media. We need to sanitize the media. Nsore na busu bebre na nsore no koso enso no bonia na ekosoro no. The church is losing its mandate because what they have to preach, that is not what they are preaching. They are preaching prosperity instead of say be preaching say nipa benya against achira. And as spiritual we say a dominate asore no. Enti no the truthfulness say ye kama nipa nya against achira twe omo ho free bone ho no da bi. Nimomu the spiritual, the vision. And away ye by four, and away ye be winnie, and away be ye president in 1992, and away be ye say it is becoming too much. And on Mampani, the responsibility lies on you to make a change. Ministries in our creating, it is not only for propaganda, but it is for the good of the people. Na se munyina mu jinyamidi, na se ya nye ni ya. Nyami obibisaye. Unless se wunyami ni nti na wote ho a wo yesa ha no na se wonim se wunyi nyame ni na se wunyi ni se nyame wo ho aka no kore e ma nipa nso hu se sika hu hia e jai se wo de nko ano wo sore a you throw physical spiritual cash at people and then you take the physical cash na panifo no so no greed, taking the bigger gratia, taking all the allowances, you know, thinking about their comfort and all that at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. It's a wake-up call for you and I. If you don't speak, who will speak? This is the time for you to speak. Etinabusia midin ene Cyprus na channel na o channel enso so eye Akono TV e wo YouTube. Entini make sure say ube subscribe to the channel no. Afi so no eye enkomo ena edi adwenkyere ena ye kyere ya adwen all for the good of Oman Ghana. Entini don't skip. One, make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave your comment and your contribution. Entino ene yedu esi ha sei na yebesan aba uwe biom na ya maha sei so yebeshia ewo Facebook. Entini check me up on Facebook, Esel Eric Cyprus na yeni enkomo. Until I come your way again, no abusia, coronavirus is real. So continue to stay safe.